Hi, good afternoon, evening, for the first day of VBS snack, as we have VBS both in person and online this year. And so, day one here, our lesson was with God rescuing us. And so, our snack today is the Ark rescue in Noah and the Ark. Our verse today comes from Psalm 36, verse 7. How precious is your steadfast love, O God. And so we're reminded how God rescues us, how God rescued Noah and his family, and how after the flood waters they were preserved, and how we are reminded in our baptism that God rescues us as well through his saving ark, through his church, through word and water united to save us, connecting us with the precious blood of Jesus. We're going to today make a snack and kind of mimic the ark, a yogurt ark rescue. And so what we'll do, Lydia, if you can pour this yogurt in, and we'll scoop it out. Hold it. All right, thanks, babe. And we need some blueberries. So probably just want like a plain white vanilla yogurt. Or just plain. Just dump all the blueberries in, Lydia. Thank you. And then, finally, we want to blend it up. And so we just need a quick blend here. That one had a big stem on it. So we've assembled some glasses here. You just want to take your yogurt and blueberry mixture, carefully give it a little pour, create your little C cups. And we have a variety of cups just because it's what we have at home here. So I thought we'd just share. Got your plainer cups, of course your classic North Wisconsin Northwoods Life is Good little cup. One from a recent wedding, cute little cups that I had from members of my old congregation in Nevada for Josh and Samantha. So Josh, Sam, if you're watching, I'll probably let you know it's on here. And then of course another Wisconsin classic, good old Sprecher Brewery. Lydia, we have our water here. What else do we need for Noah and the Ark to complete our snack?
A boat.
A boat. What do we have here for boats today?
Apples.
Apples. So you could take graham crackers. You could take really any fruit, whatever you want. We thought apples would go. Take your apples and, of course, your slicer and give it a quick slice. We already sliced them here for you. Lids, you want to take an apple, put an apple in each one there. And of course, we want to kind of set it in so that it's the shape and it's its own boat. All right, now Lydia, we have our water. We have our apple boats. Lydia, use your apple. Give it a scoop. Tell us how it is. Thumbs up. Thanks, babe. Thanks for helping. Hope you've enjoyed, and hope you can enjoy the Arky Rescue yogurt, both at home. Of course, save some extra apples for a little extra dipping and stuff as well.
Today we are going to make our Noah's Ark project. It comes like this. First thing you're going to do is just punch all the pieces out. There should be 4 pieces that get punched out. Piece number 1. Piece number 2 is the big middle piece that you're going to punch out. And it looks like this. Piece number 2. Piece number 3. You're going to take, it looks like this, and take and punch the middle piece out. So it looks like that. And the 4th piece is just a rectangle that looks like this. So you have all your pieces put out. You can discard that. first thing you're going to do is on this piece that looks like this, you're going to punch out. There's 4 holes to punch out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's a little door that you can punch out. It just opens up, but don't peel that piece off. On this piece, there's little things here, notches. You're going to punch those out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then there's 2 right here in the middle. 1 and 2. So you have it looks like this. Now one side it has wood grain kind of looking, and the other side is flat or white. The white part is going to be the inside of your boat. So the first thing you're going to do is take these 2 sides and you're going to fold them up to kind of create a little cradle. And then these edges you're going to fold in on all 4 sides to create the kind of the inside of your boat. So it's going to look like this with all these folded in. The next step you're going to do is you're going to take the other flap on one side, you're going to fold it up, and you're going to put the little notches in the holes like this and like that to make a little basket. You're going to fold this side down and tuck it inside like that. Now we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Folding the flaps in, putting the little notches in, on both sides. And you're going to fold your flap over, creating your little boat. Next step is to fold these pieces on the line down. And creasing them to the inside. To make the base of your boat, and you can punch this little door out then to make your boat. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take this rectangle piece, and these little notches on here are going to fit into these little grooves. So you're going to put them in there, snap it in there, all the way around. That'll help hold it together too, so it looks like that. Okay. Next step is to take this long looking one, and you can see on the flat side there's kind of these little groove lines in here. You can see that. You're going to fold on those grooves lines to make like a rectangle. And on this one you're going to fold this in to give you a little notch hole, and this little notch is going to fold in right inside there. Squeeze it in there, and you're going to make your rectangle. The next step is to take this rectangle, again the wood grain side out, you're going to fold it kind of like a triangle. There's 2 little notches on here, 1, 2 on the sides, and you're going to slide the notch here and the notch here into those. So 1, 2, so make like a little house. You're going to take that little house and very carefully you're going to put it inside this rectangle. Kind of have to hold the sides together when you do it. Carefully place it in that rectangle, and there you have, pull my door out. Place that back in there. And there you have your Noah's Ark.